Welcome to Excelsior Studio. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of our channel. Hello YouTubers, welcome to Excelsior Studio. Be creative, be yourself. In this video, I am going to do unboxing of a Zoook ZB-ROCKER 2, the wireless Bluetooth speaker with LEDs. So in this video, I am going to do the review and there will be the sound test of the speaker itself. So stay tuned. The unboxing is coming up. Hello guys, now let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So here we have opened the box, outer covering from the Amazon, and let's focus on the front cover. There you have, it is written Bluetooth, TF card, aux in, LED, USB, rechargeable battery and all, Zoook.com. It's nice packet. So now let's go ahead and unbox the front cover of it. Take a knife and open the box. It has a Bluetooth connectivity, charging light color with a simple touch, built-in LED for a colorful show, built-in microphone, dynamic sound. Oh, it has a built-in microphone also. So here we have the Zoook warranty card. We have to apply it online. There is a number over there. We have to apply it online through the Zoook website, and here is the user guide of Zoook ZB-ROCKER 2, which is from Zoook. Here is the USB charging cable which we will get in the box, and there is also an aux cable given inside, which is very nice. And here is the Zoook speaker itself. Let's unbox it. It seems nice. It is handheld. So as you can see, the front is metal covering grill, which is nice. It has a switch on button, switch on, and I will say you it has an USB in, aux 5V in, which is a charging port, TF, which is an SD card, microphone, and there is a battery rechargeable port. And now you can see I have put on and the LED is on. Now let's go ahead and put some song over it, and let's check the sound quality of the speaker itself.
Nobody's sober, nigga, talk, you get that education. We got one
Do like, share and comment on our video. Thank you for watching my video. Peace out.